All right, now in this lesson, we're going to be talking a little bit more about Amazon Machine Images, or AMIs. AMIs, they're the starting point for our EC2 instance. They include things like the operating system and software packages and different configurations that go into that EC2 instance. We can actually customize these in order to meet our organizational needs. This will help us by reducing setup time by packaging all the software in the image, and it also allows us to deploy the same packages quickly over and over again. These are region-based, but they can be copied between different regions. All right, now let's talk a little bit about the types of AMIs. This list here, we can see a few different operating systems. These are examples of public AMIs, which are AMIs that are provided by AWS. Another type of AMI is a private AMI. These are built and managed by our organization. In the next lesson, we're going to build our own private AMI, and the great thing about this is we can customize it for our organization and then deploy it over and over again. Then there's also AWS Marketplace. These are built and offered or sold by others, and a lot of times they'll have special configurations or packages, and so these are kind of specialized, and we'll take a quick look at these during our next lesson. Okay, let's take a look and see how an AMI works. What goes into an AMI? First, we need to build the EC2 instance, just like we did, and note that we're starting with that public AMI in order to build that EC2 instance in the first place. We then customize it with things like configuration, applications in order to meet our own needs. And then what we do is we stop the instance and then we create a private AMI. And then once we have that private AMI, we can then deploy that to more EC2 instances. Now in this next lesson, we're going to follow this process and build our own private AMI. All right, this completes Amazon Machine Images, AMI. Now let's move on to the AMI demonstration.